Hello, this is Zdenka, and today's video will be all about my adventure here on YouTube. Should you start a YouTube channel in 2018? About a year and a half ago, I signed up for figure skating lessons. Now, you might be thinking, what does it have to do with her photography channel and topic of today's video? Well, hold on, let me finish. So when I started, I didn't know how to skate. Well, I knew a tiny bit. I knew how to go forward and stop, going around just like on a regular public skating session. I wanted to see my progress, so I started doing these very basic videos on my phone, and I edited them on my phone and I was uploading them to YouTube. I wanted to share some of the videos with my friends and the family and so on. I named the video Adult Figure Skating because I'm not 10 anymore, and I didn't do any of the keywords. I didn't do the video description or any of the search engine optimization stuff. I was surprised I was getting subscribers right away to my channel. Actually, at home we were laughing about it. Who the hell is watching 40-year-old woman learning how to figure skate? And because it is such a narrow niche, adult figure skating, there are not too many videos like that of other adults learning how to skate, learning how to figure skate. So I kept posting these progress videos every single month, and after a year when I learned lots, I created one big video called 1 Year Progress of Adult Figure Skating. Now I did already all the search engine optimizations there, and I did some of the SEO on other videos as well. I got a lot of views, I got a lot of subscribers out of it, a lot of comments, and I realized that this is actually highly motivating for people. It shows that you can learn something like that in any age, any age possible. Some people might have a really hard time getting out of their couches and start being active, and I guess when they see something like this, it gets them going, gets them motivated, and they want to try it as well. But even though the figure skating channel could do really well if I was uploading, on a weekly basis, maybe twice or 3 times a week, and do all kinds of stuff there, but I really want to keep my figure skating as my hobby. So naturally, I created another channel which could act as my job channel. I'm a photographer. I do this for a very long time. I have a lot of experience. I can teach, I can motivate, I can hopefully entertain as well. It's a perfect match for me. Now we are getting to the question though. Is it worth starting YouTube channel in 2018? Is it too late to do this? Did I miss the train ride? And I've heard it all. There are too many YouTubers already doing this. There are too many photographers on YouTube. Everybody's joining YouTube. It doesn't make sense to join anymore. My answer, yeah, but there are also other photographers out there, and it didn't stop me in becoming one. There are also tons of other stock photographers out there, and it didn't stop me, and now I am making money. When I was younger, there are also tons of other Czech really pretty girls trying to win the beauty contest titles, and it didn't stop me in winning, and I have few titles. You can succeed on YouTube. You can succeed in any field outside of YouTube. All you have to do is stay focused, educate yourself, learn how to do it, and always improve. When it comes to YouTube and my own personal experience, only a few weeks ago I had 16 subscribers, and yesterday I reached my first 100 subscribers, and I was wondering the whole day, how am I gonna know who's the 100th subscriber? And it is I am Sean Wayne. I think I'm reading it right. I'm Sean Wayne or Sean Wayne. And actually that user made a little comment on one of my videos, said I'm the 100th subscriber. I was really pleased, I was very happy. So hey, thanks for subscribing to my channel. And it means a lot to me that you guys are so thankful for all those videos. When I started this channel, I had trouble speaking on camera. I simply couldn't deliver it. I almost had to read every single line. My biggest challenge is English because, it is my second language. I also had big problems with editing my videos. My skating videos were mostly edited on my phone and then later in Windows Movie Maker. But because I'm a photographer, I'm kind of expecting a certain quality with my photography channel. So That software just didn't do it for me. So I pushed myself to learn a new one. I'm using now HitFilm Express, and where I'm editing my videos in the last 2 weeks, and it completely changed everything for me. And I watched tons of tutorials on how to market YouTube videos, how to get them in a better search engine position. I'm slowly applying them all. I'm not interested in doing all that subs for subs or even buying subscribers and stuff like that. I truly want the organic subscribers which enjoy the stuff I'm trying to do here. The channel grew, and I know it's gonna only grow more. All these obstacles I had so far only made my production better, faster, and higher quality. So my message to you all today is, if you have a certain niche, for example, cooking, some people love to cook. If you want to teach, educate, motivate, or entertain, or the best of all is combination of all those things, yes, you can find your audience here on this platform on YouTube. And just like me, you have to treat it as a full-time job. Watch tons of other tutorials, learn how to get better and better until you reach the quality that will make you stand out from the crowd. It's not going to happen overnight. You have to be patient. Make sure you're consistent videos, upload them regularly. Right now I'm doing 1 video a week because it is a bit overwhelming and I have a lot of other things going on. I'm shooting weddings and stuff like that. But one day maybe I'll be doing 2 or 3 videos a week. Who knows? Hopefully I'll get there. So let's keep the fingers crossed. This is my message to you. Don't you give up in anything you are doing, whether it is photography, stock photography, or any other career. Work as hard as you can. And yes, you can start a YouTube channel in 2018. And that's it for today's video. I hope I motivated you and you're now pumped up and you're ready to get going and just start that YouTube channel or any other thing you're trying to do. Let me know in the comments below what you're pursuing. If you're opening a YouTube channel, let me know what your niche is, what the channel is gonna be all about. I would love to find out. Feel free to share this video, give it thumbs up, subscribe to my channels. There will be more videos on photography tips and tutorials. I'm going to be starting vlog as well. And if you would like to request a video on a certain topic, do so by commenting below as well. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ahoy.